Welcome to Raven's Royalty Channel. Today we're going to be doing my hair, but not just like any hair. Like nice hair, like not like cool hair, nice hair. First we're gonna do meet my mom, so.
Hello!
Okay.
Hi, I'm Raven's mom, and we're going to be doing this fun craft.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
How strong are you?
Really strong. Let's make it the whole room messy.
Yeah. Oh, let's show them the box.
It was $5.94. We got it at Walmart. If you're watching, make sure to subscribe.
Or like the video.
Yeah.
We're going to do lots of unboxing videos.
Yeah. Or
Makeup videos.
Or we're gonna go for shopping spree.
Shopping or to the beach.
Or to the beach, like we're gonna do tomorrow. So this is one of the products. This is another product. This is another product.
And here's these cute little barrettes. See?
There's a purple one.
There you go. So
we
do you
never
want to
did
do
this
my
before.
hair or should I do your hair?
My hair, Avi.
Okay.
We did my hair, my makeup.
Oh, I see. You snap in an extension.
Okay, so we snap in it.
That's the first thing. This, yeah.
So how?
Well, we can do it to my hair since your hair is already done, and then I can just I can unclip it and give it to you because it's just it's a clippy thing that you can switch.
Actually, no.
Okay, we'll do it to you. Should we take out your hair?
No.
Well, how are we
do
gonna
it?
do
Okay,
it?
actually, it should.
Yeah, maybe just take out one. Okay.
Ow.
You can pick.
Okay, let me take out one.
Yeah, pick one extension.
This hurts.
Do you want me to help you?
Okay.
Okay, now we pick one extension.
I want this one here, this one here.
Okay, so we'll start with this one, and it says pick an extension, and then it says clip it in.
Wow.
And then you just push it. Okay, good. Now the next.
So now we want it.
That's perfect. Now basically we can do anything to decorate it. We can braid it and
Yeah, let's braid it.
and decorate it. Actually, before we put it on your head, it says to do one more thing.
Brush it.
Well, braid it and
Braid it? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have some
And-
feathers
and
we can
some
put
is-
some beads on.
yeah.
Lots of things. That's really cool to make it like really cool. Like
Yeah, and
these
also-
ones you can braid it. It's really cool.
And look, you can pick some of these, whichever ones you want, and I can tie them on, and then we'll braid it with the
To
braid.
match it, I'm gonna go with these.
Okay.
And to match the feathers, do you want the pink one?
Let's see. Here's the beads. Where's the feathers? A purple one and oh yeah, that's pink. That's very light pink.
Very light pink? Okay, I'm gonna do very light pink. I just want it to be all pink, but this side is gonna, this side is going to be purple side.
Now, what about
Okay,
picking one color
So I'm gonna pick
that's
these.
different from pink so you can see like a contrast, like this too? Should we weave it?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
because we're gonna do silver and
Yeah.
pink.
So I'm gonna.
Okay, so we got all
Now we
our
have to-
things that we're gonna use.
Yeah. So we're gonna. Can you take off the paper? Just rip it off or something.
So
I got this.
let's make this room messy.
messy.
But my brother's just playing Roblox right now, the new update. I don't know why he likes Roblox so much.
He's obsessed with it. He really likes it.
I know, because he was just crying to play the new update today. He really wanted to play, so lucky him, he got it in time.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't rip it, it's really hard.
Really hard. Do you want me to do? Now tell them the rules. Are you always allowed to wear makeup?
No, but just for special occasions. It's my first time.
Saturday.
It's my first time being a YouTuber.
Oh, and you can cut it so it's the same length. And then you should make one with these.
He did it.
That'll be perfect. We could braid it now. So tell me, Raven, what makes you want to become a YouTuber?
Because I can meet all the YouTubers and also it's fun. And my favorite YouTuber is Ron. He's so good. I love him so much. He's so pranky and stuff. He does so much pranks.
Tell me about your other
too
favorite YouTubers. Like who
My
else?
other one that I always watch like almost every day, Rebecca. Because Rebecca Samolos. I don't know how to say it, but good.
And what do you like about Rebecca?
because she has a cute little toddler, like 2-year-old, and she's really cute.
Oh, is
And
she
I
the
like her
one who
videos.
does the gymnastics competitions?
Yeah,
Oh.
like I love her. She's so cute.
And what about Sailor?
Yeah, Sailor.
You watch her all the time.
Yo, and Nadal.
So what would you do if Salish, or who would?
If I met Salish, I would hug her right away. Like the first time I saw her, I'm like.
What are the other ones? What would you do?
My other one, like it's Rebecca and Zadie, like that, the same.
And what would you do if you met them?
I would just hug them right away, and I'll invite them to my birthday, my fun stuff that I do.
What this? Tell people what's in here. What's this?
So it's conditioner, water. So if you need anything to help you like get better, especially like not like tangly, just put some conditioner and water in a spray bottle, and then you have it.
That's right, and that's actually what a lot of hairdressers do. Is they just take water and you put a little just a little bit of conditioner, and then you shake it up, and then it's just perfect for spraying on.
Yeah,
it's easier to style their hair, and it won't hurt when you brush it.
Sorry, Ruby's is quiet.
It's okay. I can add music later too.
Yeah, if you guys just comment down below if you guys want music. Maybe it sounds too quiet.
We'll put music on. What's your favorite thing about YouTube videos in general? Like, why do you like to watch them?
Because they're really good at doing stuff, and they're not that scary, but every time I watch a scary one, it creeps me out sometimes, but not every single time.
So how old are you, Raven?
I'm 6 years old, and my name is Raven.
And what do you, well, tell us about what...
No, so what? Do you know why my channel is called The Royalty Raven?
Why?
Because I love the royalty family.
You do?
My favorite friend is Calista. She's my BFF.
Callista's your BFF.
If you ever meet her, she's definitely gonna watch my videos because she loves me. And obviously I like makeup, and obviously she knows what I look like, and obviously she knows I wear pink tails.
And why do you like to wear pink?
And obviously she knows how I talk.
And obviously you
And obviously you don't want me to talk.
It's Raven's show.
And obviously knows what my room looks like. Because she saw my room before.
I won't say anything. It's your show, your channel.
Literally, why do you have to do that?
Do you
I
help
do
with
know.
that?
Yes, I do.
This is so hard. They should make it easier.
I know.
How do they make it easier? What do you think is the science of it? Did I stress you out?
No, I just wanted to do that. That's funny.
Because I think if this was harder, like stiffer, it would be easier. What do you think? Do you agree?
So I have a little strawberry charm. You can see it. I don't probably can. And I have a unicorn charm.
Put the feather on the end, I think. Because
Yeah, I
it's
should
so long.
do the feather at
Last.
the end.
Thanks for like listening and agreeing with me. That's really nice.
I never agreed to my mom.
Yeah, yeah, it's really nice you're agreeing with me right now. It feels good.
It breaks your heart. when I
Breaks
don't
my
do
heart
it.
when you don't. Yeah, because I don't want a daughter who's mad at me all the time. That was not my dream.
Her dream would be a nice daughter, a nice son, and a nice family. I'm the luckiest family of all.
Aww. And why is that? And why is it that why is it you have the luckiest family?
Because my mom's really nice, and she lets me have candy, and she lets me have a beautiful room, and she lets me have a castle for my bed, and she lets me have lots of stuff, and she lets me have lots of things, and she lets me do nuts, and she lets see you next video. By the way, I love you.